You know, in the last few years, there's been just this huge influx of new colors into the walleye crankbait scene, whether that's companies building the different colors or maybe the custom painters out there building in different colors. When we came out with the jointed flicker shad, we thought, wouldn't it be great if that back little tail, that little flicking back there, was a different color, something that might attract the fish to bite or attack that little piece of the bait. And that's what we came out. It's called a fire tail. One of the baits that has become just a real staple for us is called slick black pearl. Now, when you first look at slick black pearl, it's not one that most anglers would pick. You know, basically a gray bait, a little bit of oil slick pattern in there, and then these two orange dots on the bottom. But I would quite frankly put this right up there with mouse or fire tiger. I thought, God, if it's just those little splashes of color that are making a difference, maybe we should move that into the flicker minnows and flicker shads. So the next thing I did is I went to Renegade Outdoor Innovations, and they do custom painting, and I had them build me a couple of fire tail flicker minnows. Flicker minnows have real good tail wag in the back. What I saw was the fish loved it. They went after that little back section back there. So this fall, what we had Berkley do was actually come out with a whole series of bait with those fire tails, both in the flicker minnows and in the flicker shads, both deep and shallow. So there's a lot of great walleye colors out there. A great new walleye pattern is the fire tail.